Hi everyone. In Japanese, long sound is very important. If you don't say it or write it correctly, it can mean something very different. I've been teaching Japanese on and off for a long time, and I've seen typical mistakes that my students make. Here are some examples. Short sound e means picture or drawing. If you say it like eh, it expresses surprise, or it can mean what. Long sound e is formal yes. Ie is house. With long sound ie is formal no. Io can be a girl's name. With long sound io is a casual way of saying I'm okay with it or go ahead. Oba-san is aunt or middle-aged woman. Oba-san is grandma. Oji-san is uncle or middle-aged man. Oji-san is grandpa. Thank you for watching. またね